Hey everyone, sweat trainer Kayla Itsines and I'm here with Women's Health UK. I've designed a 1-week workout plan which aims to help you get motivated and feel energized. Now these workouts are great for beginners or anyone who is getting back into exercise after some time off. Now today, I'm going to take you through a 10-minute arms and ab workout. If you're feeling good and you want to increase the workout time, repeat this workout 2 or 3 times to create a 20-minute or 30-minute workout. This workout is great if you are just starting out on your fitness journey, so take your time, focus on your form, and go at your own pace. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start with something super simple. We're just going to start with some arm swings. So just swinging our arms back and forth. You can even do some shoulder rotations where you rotate your shoulders. Just warming those arms up, ready for our arms and abs workout. And from here, we're going to keep doing this. We're going to do some rotations and we're going to get down on the ground next to do a cat-cow. So just warm up those arms in any way that you can. Swing them around a little bit and then we are down on the ground into a cat-cow. So down on the ground on all fours, making sure our wrist and our shoulder is in line, and then we're just going to sink our chest in and we're going to push away from the floor, tuck our hips under and repeat this motion. Good. Take some nice deep breaths. Just warming up our body, ready for our workout. Good. A few more. And in 3, 2, 1, we are going to get into our workout. Now we have 2 exercises, 3 rounds. Now our 2 exercises are a plank rotation and ab bike. So we're going to get into our plank rotation straight up. 3, 2, 1. Now placing our hands like this on the ground. We are in plank position and we are just rotating into a side plank, back into plank position, or rotating into that side plank and back and forth like so. What we want to remember here is that our shoulder and our elbow is in line each time we come up. And feel free to just adjust your feet if you need while we're here. Good. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are over into an ab bike. So in our ab bike, we are trying to aim to touch our elbow and our knee while pushing our other leg away. The higher our legs are, the easier it is. As you bring your legs down lower, the harder it becomes. If you'd like a modification for this exercise, you can place your heels on the ground and do a modified ab bike. Keep going, rotate at your torso. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and round 2. So back, hands like this on the ground. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go up. Good. So side plank, plank, side plank, plank. We're just rotating. Good. Maintain core control and balance. Keep breathing. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are into ab bikes. Straight into ab bikes. Again, if you need a modification, heels on the ground. So the reason I give modifications is because I don't want you to stop. I want you to modify the exercises to suit you and still get through the workout. Focus on form, focus on technique, and don't need to keep up with me. Just go at your own pace. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round, turning back over. Hands on the ground. 3, 2, 1, and up. So if your abs are burning, perfectly normal because mine are too. Keep going. Try not to stop. If you need a break in the middle, you can drop down to your knees, take a few deep breaths, come back up, and keep rotating. 10 seconds. Stay with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and over. Last round of those ab bikes. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So last round. Good. Push it out. Remember, modify if you need. Keep going. 15 seconds. I'll count you down. You've got another 10 seconds to go. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and end of round one. Nice deep breaths. So what we're going to do while you're grabbing a drink, taking some nice deep breaths, I'm going to talk you through your next two exercises, which is a commando on your knees. We are doing a commando, which is up, up, down, down. And then we're going to move over into a side plank on our knee, and we're going to do an oblique crunch. Both sides. There are two exercises, 3 rounds, starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, start in push-up position on your toes, drop down to your knees to set yourself up. Push away from the floor, and you're going to start your commando. So get back into that push-up position each time, pushing away from the floor, keeping that core on nice and tight. Good work. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and onto our side. So making sure our elbow and our shoulder is in line, our knee is in line with our elbow, and we are crunching in and back out. 30 seconds per side. Good. Crunch in and out. And as you're doing this, you're doing an oblique crunch while you're here. So it's not a matter of just moving your leg in and out and not moving here. You're actually crunching in, coming out, stretching out. Good. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are swapping sides. So again, line yourself up. When I first started training, I actually got one of my training partners to draw lines on my mat so I knew where to put my elbow and my knee. So if you ever need it, get someone to draw the lines for you with chalk, and you know where to put your elbow and your knee each time. You can line it all the way up. Good. Keep going. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are back over into commandos. Set yourself up. Round 2. Drop down to your knees and let's go. 30 seconds. When you place your hands on the ground, place your hand underneath your shoulder and push yourself up. What you don't want to do is have this big swing moving in your hips side to side. You want to bring yourself up. Core on nice and strong, back straight. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are over into that side plank and oblique crunch. Straight over. This was one of my favorite exercises post-pregnancy, working closely with my healthcare professionals. This was one of the first exercises I got into. Very slow version of this, but this, and it was great. Keep going. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And swapping sides. This is still one of my favorite exercises. Good. Keep going. Really crunch in, stretch out, crunch in, stretch out. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are into round 3. Last round before our cool down. Give it your all. Up in push-up position, down on your knees, set yourself up, and let's go. Almost there, almost done. You don't have to keep up with me. Focus on your form, focus on your technique. The cues are making sure your elbow or your wrist is in line with your shoulder, pushing away from the floor. Your core is on. Good job, keep going. Nice deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and over into that side plank. Again, line everything up, and we are crunching. Good. What you don't want to do when you're doing abs, especially towards the ends of your workout, is start holding your breath. You want to take those nice deep breaths. Five seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and almost done. Last one before we cool down. Straight into it. 30 seconds. Again, nice deep breath. Slow it down if you need. I'm going to count you down. You've got 10 seconds to go. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down on the ground. We are done. Well done. Abs are burning. Let's actually stretch out our abs a little bit while we're here. So what you can do is you just stretch them out like this. You can roll from side to side, stretching out those sides. Good. And then from here, we're going to do a little pec stretch. So up onto our knees, sitting down and stretching back. You can do this standing as well. Taking some nice deep breaths. And from here, we're just going to stretch out our triceps. You don't have to get up off the floor if you don't want to. Good. And swapping arms. And we'll do a little lat stretch to finish. So go to the side, stretch out those lats. And other side. And we're ending our workout in 3, 2, 1, and done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this arms and abs workout. Now, if you love workouts like these, make sure you check out my programs in the Sweat app, and I'll see you next time.